Hey everyone, if you no longer want your Crunchyroll membership, whether it is a free trial or a paid subscription, you can cancel it easily. However, the cancellation process depends on how you originally signed up, and so follow these steps to cancel your Crunchyroll subscription hassle-free. So now let's begin. So first, if you signed up for Crunchyroll directly on their website, follow these steps. Go to the Crunchyroll website and log into your account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. And under the membership info, click Cancel Membership. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your cancellation. Once completed, your subscription will remain active until the next billing date, after which you won't be charged again. If you signed up for a 14-day free trial, you must cancel before the trial ends to avoid getting charged. Follow the same steps as step 1 to go to the Manage Subscription page. Now click Cancel Membership, then Confirm. You will still have access until the trial period expires, but you won't be charged afterwards. If you forget to cancel before the trial ends, Crunchyroll will automatically charge you for the next month. Now, if you subscribe to Crunchyroll using Google Play, follow these steps. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device, tap your profile icon in the top right corner, select Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Subscriptions. Find Crunchyroll in the list and tap it. Tap Cancel Subscription and follow the on-screen instructions. Your membership will remain active until the end of the billing cycle. Canceling your Crunchyroll membership is straightforward if you follow the right steps based on where you subscribe. Remember that you still have access until the end of your billing period after canceling. And that is how easy it is to cancel Crunchyroll membership. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.